How to change username on chess.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser, then tap on the search bar. Now type chess.com, then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on login. Now log in into your account. Now wait for some time. Now once you log in, tap on settings at the top right corner. Now simply tap on profile. Now tap on details. Now tap on the change button. Now tap on new username box. Now type the new username. Now enter the password and click on change. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.